Good morning. I just woke up. It's about 11. It's quarantine day, I don't know. And I'm gonna do a vlog about how I spend my quarantine days. I just finished doing the basic stuff I'm doing each morning, and now we're going to make some guacamole because I love guacamole. I hope you like it too. Let's make it together. To end it, we're going to put some lemon and of course salt and pepper. My guacamole is ready. It's not a big batch, but it will do for a couple of days. And then we'll make another one. So I just got dressed, put on my workout leggings because I'm going to work out later. I want to be ready and in the mood. Now I'm going to go to my parents' house to eat and then be back here because there's nothing else we can do in this quarantine. Only stay at home. So I just came back. On my way back home, I stopped at the mini market and took some fresh strawberries because a girl has to eat when she's in quarantine. What's better to eat than fresh strawberries? So for now I'm going to chill a little bit, maybe make a shopping list for when I'm going to the supermarket next week to see what I need and I don't need. Then I'm going to work out, and until the end of the day we're going to see what else we're going to do. And now, let me show you my socks. Look how nice they are. So freaking cute. I'm gonna drink some water, then I'm going to have a shower and speak to you later. So for dinner, I made myself a sort of sandwich with Greek pita, and I'm ending the day by watching Netflix. What everybody does these days. See you on the next video. I hope you have enjoyed this one.